Every day, you wake up, you look in the mirror, and what do you see? Fear? Doubt? Failure? Or do you see a warrior? A fighter? A soul that refuses to quit? The world won't hand you confidence. It won't be gifted. You earn it in silence, in sweat, in struggle. Number 1, talk to yourself. Have you ever spoken to yourself? I mean really, truly looked in the mirror and said, "I believe in you." No? Then start today, because that reflection, that tired face, that worn-out version of you, is a beast waiting to be unleashed. You're not weak, you're exhausted, and tired isn't broken. Tired isn't defeated. Tired is just the pause before your next rise. The world doesn't believe in you until you believe in you, until you decide you're worthy. Confidence is not magic. It's a decision, a habit, built one battle at a time, one small win at a time. Number 2, when no one believes in you. People will laugh at you, mock your dreams, say you're not good enough, and that's okay, because you don't need their belief. You need your own. When the world turns its back, turn toward the fire inside you. Confidence is that fire, burning quietly, growing slowly, until one day it explodes and lights up everything around you. Number 3, facing failure. You will lose, you will fall, you will be alone, and you'll ask yourself, should I quit? Am I a failure? Was everyone right about me? But that moment, right there, that is the test. That is the moment that separates the weak from the relentless, the broken from the unbreakable. And if you rise, if you choose to stand, then you've already won. Number 4, how confidence is built. Confidence is built in the shadows. It's not loud. It doesn't show off. It shows up in the small choices. Waking up early, doing the hard thing, repeating the process, failing and still continuing. Confidence is forged in fire, not comfort. It's not about thinking you're the best. It's knowing that you'll never give up, that no matter how many times you're knocked down, you'll stand up again and again. Number 5, the real enemy is inside you. The real enemy isn't the world. It's not your critics. It's not your past. It's the voice inside you, the one that says, I can't. I'm not enough. What if I fail? Shut it down, because you're not here to play small. You're not here to survive. You're here to break limits. You have power. You have purpose. And you've always had what it takes. Number 6, honor yourself. Your parents dreamed for you. Your mentors believed in you. Your God created you. But none of it matters if you don't believe in yourself. You owe it to them. You owe it to you. Because you weren't born to live in fear. You weren't made to live in regret. You were born to rise. Stand up. Pick yourself back up. What's behind you was a lesson. What's ahead of you is a choice. And that choice is yours. You can settle for being average, or rise and become unstoppable. Confidence is not luck. It's your right. It's your weapon. And when you learn to use it, you don't just change your life. You change the world around you. You are enough. You are capable. And you are unbreakable.